Oh, they've also got canoes, a canoe livery here. Hey people, OT, still in town. I had to go take care of my dog. I've been riding around a little bit. My inner thighs are burning. Hey, what can I say? You know, first time on the bike this year. But what I usually tend to do is I'll do something for a while until I get tired of it, and then I'll switch to something else. So it looks to me like I'll be riding my bike quite a bit here late, you know, for a while. And then I'll get tired of that and I'll go back to hiking. But not sure what I'm going to do right this minute. Well, yeah, right this minute I'm going to rest up. I'm in a park right now. There's a grill over there. I've got, you know, beans with me. I could fix it right here, and I just might do that. I have to wait and see. Oh, yeah, it's been a long day. I've been sitting here for at least an hour trying to rest up. If you happen to hear any screaming on my way back, it's just my thighs. Don't worry about it. Actually, I don't feel too bad. Anyhow, we're headed back. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get my computer fixed for my bike. They were really busy, and I guess when you let it, the batteries run all the way dead, it has to be recalibrated, and it takes a while to do that. You don't just put the batteries in and, you know, it's all good. Okay, still on the trail, headed towards home. And I want to give my legs a break because, wow. Yeah, they're hurting pretty good. So there's a place down here I know of. Yeah, I know all the stops. Oh, that looks like vetch. I believe that's how you pronounce it. Looks like there's plenty of wood. Okay. Oh, somebody had a fire out there on them rocks. I bet they were in for a, I bet they had a rude awakening. Perfect. Go down here and take a quick look, and then I'll start getting the firewood together. Oh my gosh. Oh, I feel like a crippled. What the heck? That's kind of strange. Couple purses? No, one purse. Maybe somebody stole a purse and come down here. Huh. Well, I'm not touching it. Hope there ain't a body down here. Try one more. Man, I used to be real good at skipping stones. I wish that was probably 30 years ago. Alright, enough of that. Let's get us a fire going. Turn you back on with you. Well, here's the start of my fire. I got the base down. Got two branches this way, one that way. Of course, my small stuff on the bottom, working my way up to thicker. I'm getting everything right here. I don't have to go any farther or have to drag any big pieces. I'm just going to cook. So I should be able to get all of my wood from right there. It's pretty sweet. It's nice and dry too. Anyhow, I'm going to get my little friend out because I'm kind of down here off the beaten path and well, you know, off trail, and you just never know who might show up, who might want to cause trouble. There she is. My little 22 mag pistol revolver. Hey, it'll do the job, you know what I mean? And that's going to go right on my belt. Okay, it's going to be a few minutes yet before I light this beast. I'll turn you back on. Hey people, I was walking up this this little dried creek bed here, and look what I found. Look at this huge piece of flint, man. Look at that. Oh, isn't that a beauty? Wow. That is a nice chunk there. Always pays to look around. I bet you I could find more in here too. Okay, I just took some cotton cord and fluffed it up real good. Huh, something sticky for some reason. Okay. Sometimes what I do is I'll take some jute twine and I'll just pack it in just where I'm gonna hold that cotton match under there. Uh-oh, I just heard some deer. Let's go investigate real quick. I just heard him snorting. No, I don't see him, but you can bet they're there. Probably wanting to cross the river. Yeah, there's all kinds of deer around here. Okay. Pull off 3 of these. I'm going to bring this down here so I'm close. And we have fire. Too bad it ain't that easy all the time. It only took 1 cap. Okay. Yeah, it won't take too long. I'll be eating some beans. Oh yeah, nice little fire going. I gotta watch, I don't want to get that camera on my hat too hot. Well, that might be enough the way it is right there, but I'm gonna throw some more on there, just in case. One thing nice about building a fire and you've got a snag nearby, you know, you ain't got to go far for firewood. Yeah. Broke the wrong one.